Hello students, hope you are able to solve the questions of height and distance exercise. Let's continue with the exercise only. Question number 23. A man on the top of a vertical observation tower, this is the vertical observation tower we are having, observes a car moving at a uniform speed coming directly towards it. Car is moving from point C towards this tower. If it takes 10 minutes for the angle of depression to change from 30 degrees to 45 degree, how soon after this will the car reach the observation tower? Give your answer to the nearest second. I'll explain the question with the help of this diagram. AB is the vertical tower we are having. The car is at point C and it is moving towards the tower. So after 10 minutes it reaches to the point D. At point C, angle of elevation is given to be 30 degrees, and at point D, the angle of elevation becomes 45 degrees. And you have to tell how much time it will take to reach the point A, right? So we are supposing let the speed of the car be x meters per second and time taken to reach from D to A be t seconds. Now using the formula distance is equal to speed into time, we are getting this distance CD will be equal to 600 into x. How it is? Time taken is 10 minutes. Converting into seconds, it will be equal to 600 seconds. So distance CD will be equal to 600 into x meters. Similarly, distance DA, applying the formula time into speed, it comes out to be t into x meters. Now we are taking the right angle triangles. First right triangle ABD we are taking. In this, tangent 45 is equal to AB upon DA, and let AB be equals to H we are having. This AB is equal to H. So 1 is equal to H upon Tx. We have already calculated that this dA is equal to T into X. So from this the value of H comes out to be T into X. Now let's take the second triangle ABC. In this, tangent 30 is equal to AB upon AC, perpendicular upon base we are having. So 1 upon under root 3 is equal to H upon AC. Now see, AC is equal to AD plus CD. CD we have calculated 600 plus X, and this DA is how much? This is equal to T into X, because H is equal to Tx and DA is equal to H we are having. So we are getting this 600x plus Tx. We can take x common from this. X gets cancelled. So we are getting 1 by root 3 is equal to T upon 600 plus T. Now on cross multiplication, you will get 600 plus T is equal to under root 3T. 600 will be equal to under root 3T minus T. After this, you just have to simplify it. T is common, under root 3 minus 1 is left. So T will be equal to 600 upon under root 3 minus 1. Now rationalizing the denominator, we are getting 600 into 1.732 plus 1 upon 2. In the denominator, it will be 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So this is equal to 300 into 2.732, which is 819.6 seconds. After rounding off, we'll get it equal to 820 seconds, because they've asked to give answer to the nearest second. So it is equal to 820 seconds, which on converting will give you 13 minutes 40 seconds. So the time taken to reach from D to A will be 13 minutes and 40 seconds. Now see next question number 23. From the top of a cliff 60 meter high, the angles of depression of two boats are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between the boats when the boats are on the same side of the cliff and they are on the opposite sides of the cliff. Now two cases are possible. When if this is the top of the cliff, this is the top of the cliff, and angle of depression when we are calculating, this is the angle of depression, this is 30 degree. So this angle will also be 30 degree. Alternate angles. If this is 60 degree, this angle will also be 60 degree. Two cases are possible. The boats can be on the opposite side or they can be on the same side. We'll discuss both the cases. First, I am taking the case when the two boats, they are on the opposite side of the cliff. So this is the first boat and this is the second boat position we are having. You need to find out the distance between the boats. That means this CD distance is to be calculated. So we are having two right angle triangles. in triangle ABC and the other one is triangle ABD. In this we'll be finding BC and in this we are going to calculate BD. Now in triangle ABC, tangent 60 is AB upon BC. So under root 3 is 60 upon BC. BC comes out to be 60 upon under root 3. Similarly in triangle ABD we'll find out BD. BD comes out to be 60 under root 3. Now this is the distance between the two boards. That is CD, which is CB plus BD. Putting value from equation 1 and equation 2, we are getting 60 upon under root 3 plus 60 under root 3. Now you have to take LCM and simplify it. LCM is under root 3. So this will be 60 plus 180 is equal to 240 upon 3. How are we getting this 180 is 60 under root 3 multiply by this under root 3. Because you know when you take LCM you multiply it by this. So it is 180 which is 240 upon under root 3. On rationalizing we are getting it equal to 80 root 3. Put value of under root 3. So it comes out to be 138.56 meter. This is the distance between the two boats when they are on the opposite side of the cliff. Now let's take the case when they are on the same side of the cliff. This will be the diagram when the two boats they are on the same side. So this is the first boat, this is the second boat we are having. Rest calculation is same. First triangle ABC, BC comes out to be 60 by root 3. And then in triangle ABD, you will have tangent 30 is 60 upon BC plus CD we have taken. I have supposed CD is equal to Y. So that gives 1 by root 3 is equal to 60 upon BC plus Y. Simplify it. On cross multiplication we are getting 60 root 3 is 60 upon root 3 plus Y. Putting the value of BC, it is 60 by root 3. And 60 by root 3 on rationalizing is equal to 20 under root 3. So in the next step I have put this value 20 root 3 plus Y is equal to 60 under root 3. On simplification Y comes out to be 40 into under root 3. Putting the value of under root 3 we are getting 40 into 1.732 which is 69.28 meter. So in this case the distance between the two boats is 69.28 meters. Now see next question number 29. An aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meter observes the angle of depression of two boats on the opposite side of the banks of a river to be 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. So this is the horizontal aeroplane is at a altitude of 250. This will be the angle of depression 60 degree and so this angle becomes 60 degree. Similarly on the other side, on the other bank, this angle of depression is 45 degrees. So this angle becomes 45 degree. You have to find the width of the river. Width of the river will be DC. Right, that is the distance between the two banks we are having. Now the simplification, the calculation of the question is similar to the previous one only, in which we had the case when they are on the opposite side. So first we are taking triangle ABD, tangent 45 is perpendicular upon base. So this x comes out to be 250, right? Similarly in triangle ABC, tangent 60 is AB upon BC. So under root 3 is 250 upon BC. That gives you BC is 250 by root 3. And on simplification, on rationalizing and putting the value of under root 3, we are getting BC is equal to 144.4 meters. So we have got the value of x, we have got the value of y. Now distance between the boats is DB plus BC, that is 250 plus 144.4 which is 394.4 meters. Now they have asked in the question to give answer to the nearest whole number. So on rounding off it will be 394 meters. So students, hope you will be able to complete this exercise 23. In the next video we will be starting the next chapter, that is the quadratic equation. Thank you.